Have you ever heard someone say, "That's a lofty goal"? Or described a mountain as lofty? Let's break down what this word really means and how to use it correctly. What does lofty mean? The word lofty is an adjective that has a few different meanings, depending on the context. It can mean very high or tall, like a lofty building or a lofty mountain. It can also describe noble or grand ideas, like lofty ambitions or lofty ideals. Sometimes, it can mean someone is acting arrogant or superior, as in a lofty attitude. Definition of lofty. Lofty means something that is elevated in height, character, or tone. It can be physically high, intellectually grand, or emotionally distant. Lofty synonyms: tall, high-reaching, elevated, noble, grand, ambitious, haughty in a negative tone. Using lofty in sentences. She set a lofty goal of becoming a scientist at NASA. The castle stood on a lofty hill, overlooking the valley. His lofty tone made others feel unwelcome. Whether you're talking about a high place, a big dream, or a proud attitude, the word lofty adds a rich, descriptive flavor. It's a word that speaks of height, ambition, and sometimes, a touch of ego.